What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. So in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of this softbox light. As you can see right here in this package, I'm just gonna unbox it so you guys see what's inside. So this light is the Mountdog Softbox light. There are basically two of them that come inside, two kit. So you guys gonna see what's inside. Unbox it right now, let you guys see. And right here as well, and right here guys, we have the carrying bag from Mountdog. You can see, so when you finish with it, you can carry it around in this carrying bag right here, which is really perfect. As you guys can see, we have the softbox right here. You can basically pull this out. We have the current, we can plug in it, pull it like this, something like this. Open up this board. This guys how it look. Show that perfectly tight. I'm gonna try to plug it in and test it first before I put on the top piece and turn it on. That's it guys, looking very bright already. Alright guys, as you can see so far, I have fixed up one of these. As you can see the box right here, I have fixed up one so far. And inside it we have the remote control right here. As you guys can see, I have the remote right here, which is gonna work on the both of them. So I'm just gonna unbox this one so you guys see how it works. First, how it works, you have to turn on the switch. Then we can use a remote to turn it on. So with this remote, it uses some AAA batteries, so make sure you have AAA battery inside for it to work. Alright guys, so right now I'm testing now the Mountdog light kit. As you can see, I'm basically using right now, so there's no external light inside this room right here as I'm filming. So I have one light to the side right here, and also have one light in front. As you can see the reflection in the TV behind me right there, which is sometimes can be disturbing. I'm not sure how it look, but I'm just gonna test them out so you guys can see how it basically looks. So I'm gonna turn off this light to the side, show you guys how what I'm working with. So turn off this light right here. As you can see, I'm gonna turn off this one in front of me right now, and that's how it look. The room is completely dark. Turn on this one right here to the side, and that's how it look guys from the side right there. So I give some light on my face right here coming from this side, and this one is basically lighting up my front. So I'm not really an expert in lighting, I'm just gonna play around with it to see how it basically works. So this right here have 3 mode, which is the white, the warm, and the yellow. I'm gonna test them out by using the selection right here on the remote to select each level. So first I'm gonna turn off this one to see how this one works if you're working with one first. So turn off this one so it don't affect this one right here. So make a selection right now. As you can see, this one is a more warmer look. Need that temperature right there, and that's the white temperature right there. As you can see, the color shifting with each of these light color right here. Try it again. Warm color, white color, next color right here. Also we can adjust the brightness on the remote. So let me turn on the brightness, turn it right down. As you can see, that's the minimum right there. Turning down, now turn it up. That's the brightest it can go. as you can see right there. Turn up. I'm gonna turn on back this one right now. On. You guys can see. I'm gonna put both of them on each color. Put this one on warm, so you give a different look right there. So you can switch them up based on how you want the color shifting to go, and it works really great. It's easy to set up, and we have a carrying bag which can basically carry it around if you want to, you know, have your studio anywhere. If you carry it around with you, which is really perfect. And as you can see, this have a different color. I'm gonna change it now to blend with this one right here. Yeah, you know, blending with it. And you guys can tell me how the lighting look. As I'm saying, I'm not using any other external light. All of lighting room is completely dark. I'm just using this right here. I think I want to adjust this one so that the shadow doesn't come under my chin, as you can see right there. I'm gonna play around with it and hopefully it works best on my YouTube video. So this is just my review of the Mountdog light kit, and it's 2 of them that come inside. I hope you guys find this video very helpful, and remember to subscribe to this channel for more future content like this. If I have any more update on this type of light and how I basically use to set up all of my videos, I update you guys with this right here, this light right here. I'm still using the other lights, just gonna play around with them, and hope you guys find this video very helpful. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, peace out.